Here's a quick video on how the SeneLook app works. When you open it up, you'll see this screen. Select Live Makeup, which will open the front camera. Tap the LipSense icon to try the colours. Use the slider to see all of the colours. This allows you to virtually try the colours on. Yikes. Nope. Ooh. When you find the one you want, click in the top right hand corner and it will bring up the colour that you've chosen. Use the return arrow to go back to the products list. Now let's try on some ShadowSense. Same thing, use the slider to choose the colour. Again, when you find the colour, tap the top right corner and it brings up the shadow. Now let's try some mascara. What about some brows? As you can see in the top right, there are 4 items that you have virtually tried on so far. You'll notice when you try on glosses that the count in your virtual try on list is still only at 4 because for some reason it doesn't let you choose a LipSense and a gloss, so it might pay to remember which of each you liked. If you want to take a picture, tap the camera icon in the middle. You can choose to share it, save it, or delete it. When you've finalised your list, you can share it with whoever you want. The banners at the top, you can swipe and tap to visit each banner. And if you want to sign up, you can search by distributor number or name. My number is 654168. You can also shop straight from the app and also sign up to Kiss and Tell, which is our loyalty program. If you want to see who your distributor is, tap the middle bottom, and for settings and preferences, the bottom right. You can also use a photo to try on the makeup, either their stock one or choose a photo from your gallery. Hope you found that helpful.